ye name say Ghana Cedi na against US dollar no Ghana Cedi na fall pa. Enti ne video me compare three currencies. Libya for sika no and Nigeria for sika no and Ghana for sika no. They fall pa against US dollar no. At the same time so me video we na me don be call website bia make sure US adwuma ewo US is here any ska omoje na so person to compare Ghana there and the one now between their compare see yankofo muji ska such an we neutral you need political party bia ewo ha and they be making sure say fake and finance in the ben watch channel we until first time aba ha when you be say be subscribe channel we and to see how the mabisi na when Libya fosika no to Libya fosika na mabisi ni nyina me be in 1 year chart nti previous 1 year no 1 year na like 1 year to say now no 1 year no to say last year to say last year October last year no since now no how our currency na den afa so perform against US dollar no nti Nigeria fosika no Ghana fosika no na Libya fosika na be compare nti radio nti ehwe ha se ya high 23rd October high 23rd October 2021 na Libya fosika no 4 cedis you find say Ghana say Ghana 4.5 but you 4.5 na ye buy be see ha say ha so na 4.5 from October be see the following year February no na 4.5 na then neba nti eba May na ba 4.8 eba May na ba 4.8 yanko September na ba 4.9 and asisia 5.0 mpacho yewe na ba 5.0 nti yamfa ne say you see afifo from no you see afifo from no na 4.6 ne ba 5.0 but you how if us moving no it meaning say almost can against US dollar no at least almost perform kakra but still an elusive value against US dollar no enti yanko Nigeria fusika no yeko Nigeria fusika na yanko everyone say starting October last year October na 409 naira or 409 naira then Naira in terms of ABC isi afifu from no general na 412 naira never say $1 be 412 naira okay into to see no isi afifu from 412 no aba 436 naira 436 naira ni say isi afiwe in currencies amebo obia against US dollar no obi elusi value nti mamo ye mass no so wetimi ahwe and the percentage like wetimi aye a compare wo adwenche bia leave for to comment no the next video no my address ni pacho yate ase cause channel we no dey won bia no e na ye beka said ye wo YouTube bia onye frustrated to your YouTube now her channel we are best channel I best subscribe with it hana obenya oni si be legit authentic neutral but you say okay until we are to see na 436 na be kan ho nti yenko Ghana fosika no minim say no na parodo na expect wa ha yebisi afifu from no yebisi isi afifu from na 6.0 cedis ne aba July na 8 cedis 30 pesos then boom 12 cedis 70 basis here no Forex no maybe nim say 14 cedis into boom 12 cedis 80 12.8 according to chart am 12.8 okowa obetimi 14 cedis and 14.1 I think be 13.9 but ye see no the am ye ho chire bebre no me madwen tre no pacho me madwen chire no sa ban no the measures egu kwan mu aban no hu kwan a obetimi afa so ne obefa so aboy ye ya we ade okota ade na normal use na taxes said that no so too much me ko US me nche wadwuma na katwa ni padodo na eche wo ho nti ye hwa ade se truck driver home weekly patching you home weekly oji 1,500 to 1,650 a week. What the back and sigma according to your currency necessary, I mean is obeje 250 million a week truck driver 250 million a week 250 million a week. Into here how I can say currencies currency beyond against US dollar no elusive value call here pounds are not pounds say the pounds are US dollar anymore but see no here what say US dollar any currency against US dollar no elusive value but be your motto to be a normal boy then a coso but be a country be a normal boy then a coso at a bino the normal gugu pa my country no or more citizens no more at least or more de or more home kaka or more the first no munyana there but to see no more de or more home chain kind of na said the be a obichra there and answer be a by juma not said the country at no I remember be a whole children or not sad in the country at government in the donor boy citizens no but Ghana no meaning na me ka just pay for the donor video no nti me gidi say video dey video be boa ma dey bia we bia no obehu tia wo ye no the next video make sure adwuma over Ghana has to see betimi aya e betwa ka in dollars but you say make sure adwuma e wo online o betwa ka in dollars eye adwuma sesia nti o first time aba magi mani be so be subscribe channel follow techintwi on Facebook YouTube higher subscribe channel me the videos be bro me the videos e hu here wo Ghana happy ya dey bia unim adena wo ye no